Install second Comfy to your system using the same or different Python version as the first one. When downloaded, the Python interpreter install or upgrade if already exist. Check the active Python version by path. Open the System Environment Variables editor and check the path of active Python version. You can change it to any other installed version. The new Comfy will use selected Python interpreter by virtual environment. Create new directory on any drive for new Comfy, then open terminal. Create Python virtual environment using simple command under the created directory. Check the new virtual Python directory. You can see libraries under lib folder, but you will find the very important command activate under the scripts subfolder. The next to clone ComfyUI. And use activate command from the new virtual environment. The word venv is very important in the beginning of new lines. Then install required libraries depending on your system is NVIDIA or AMD. When process finished, install Comfy's dependencies by requirements.txt. Very important, the activated Python venv always use activate command before dependency installation. Create two new files to the root of Comfy folder. One is main-uscer.py with the content you see in the video. The second is the start.bat with row. You can't forget activate command. Then call main-uscer.py file. When new files created, just enter start.bat command to the terminal window. Comfy will start and you will get local URL. Open the URL in browser, but you haven't downloaded models yet. We don't need to download because we already have under another Comfy. Delete the empty model folder from new Comfy and just symlink the another already installed. When the old model folder symlinked, you can use your new Comfy with existing models. Start again and refresh the browser. On the checkpoint loader you will find your installed models and you can start new process. You need Comfy Manager. I think you already installed in your previous Comfy. Use git clone and install Python dependencies to new virtual environment after using activate command. When manager installed, start again the Comfy and refresh the browser. Now you have manager button on the side menu. Use it and install custom nodes you needed. I install Primere node pack for future videos. Restart Comfy and check the imported nodes on terminal window. If all right, reload the browser again. Clear the workspace and double-click on the empty area. You can see Primere nodes. Don't choose one node, open the attached minimal workflow from the Workflows folder instead. If no missing or red node, just start the first process for test. Congratulations if you have new wooden kitchen.